Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by choosing straight-grained hardwood and sizing the blank, because density controls tone and response. Once selected, mark the centerline and the head joint boundaries. This establishes alignment. Drill or bore a pilot hole to guide the main bore. Make it slightly undersize so you can ream to final diameter. Make sure to mark fingerhole positions now, using measured offsets. These marks save you from costly shifts later. The first actionable steps combine material choice, layout, and a conservative initial bore to preserve control. Now you deepen and refine the bore. Ream carefully to the final diameter and check straightness, because bore geometry defines intonation and timbre. Once done, shape the head joint and form the windway with gradual edges. This controls the jet and makes the recorder speak. Then cut the labium and undercut the blocks slightly for focus. Transition to the fingerholes by drilling small, then enlarging while testing pitch. This iterative drilling and testing approach lets you tune without overcutting. Finish by sanding and sealing the bore and holes, because a smooth interior stabilizes tone and prevents moisture damage. You then tune by small enlargements or by adding wax to holes. This fine-tuning corrects intonation without structural changes. Test all registers and octave transitions. If you get squeaks or weak upper register, narrow the windway or refine the labium edge incrementally. If pitch is sharp, move holes slightly toward the foot. If flat, enlarge holes a touch. One troubleshooting tip: use wax plugs to trial changes before committing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.